Facebook Poke is a feature that's still available, though it's not as widely used as it once was. You can poke someone on Facebook as a way to get their attention or initiate a playful interaction. So, here is a step by step guide on how to poke someone on Facebook. Firstly, open the Facebook app on your mobile device, iOS or Android, or go to the Facebook website on your desktop browser. Ensure you are logged into your Facebook account. Then, in the search bar at the top of the screen, simply type pokes and tap on the pokes option available there. Once you tap on the pokes, you will get to see your friend list option available. As this is my anonymous account, there are no friends on my Facebook. But if you are using your official account, then you will get to see the list of your Facebook friends. Now, in the search bar, type the name of the person you want to poke. Click or tap on their name to go to their profile picture and poke them. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. And thank you so much for watching.